And Hollie with a bronze medal in the women's uneven bar last night.
She's so well known for her flexibility moves. Extremely talented youngster.
Must have gained, Dominique, incredible confidence with her performance last night and being on the podium on the award stand with Svetlana Horkina last night.
Actually, she said she wasn't intimidated at all by Horkina.
Wow.
Competed with her before when she was about 11 years old. So definitely this international experience that she's been gaining for the past 2 years definitely paid off.
So far, pretty clean.
Beautiful. Slight bobble there.
Beautiful switch ring.
A leap like that with a 180-degree split of the legs is required by the judges. Oh, I love that front aerial combination. Oh, no. Oh, it was going so nicely.
It was a beautiful routine up until that flip-flop layout acro series. Now she's preparing for a dismount.
And she's over, right? Just...
She has enough time to make it.
Beautifully done.